Hey everybody, welcome to Off-Road 801. We came to check out what we thought was a ghost town, but it's not officially a town. It was never incorporated. This is a ghost homestead. We're in Riverside, Nevada, right next to the Virgin River. If you like ghost towns, don't be scared. Hit that subscribe button so you can join us every time we go to a ghost town. Karl and Maria homesteaded this spot in 1924. After working for a failed mining operation not too far away, they decided to make a little home here. They picked this spot because it was a very important place to cross the Virgin River. The Mormon Trail crossing, the Spanish Trail crossing, and the Arrowhead Trail crossing. It was the first highway from Salt Lake City to Los Angeles. And eventually, after a couple floods, they seen the idea they needed to open up a business. They started selling sandwiches, beer. Eventually they opened up a store, built some cabins so people could stay here. Let's go look around, see what we can find. There's a lot of graffiti and a lot of garbage. That's what happens when you get places like this too close to a city. They get ruined. People need to come out here and ruin stuff. But we'll look around anyways, just because it's an interesting looking place. And I don't know what used to be the store. Whatever this thing is pretty big. But the pictures I've seen of the store do not look like this. So I think this is something else. I'm gonna guess this is one of the cabins you could rent. We'll see if the floor will hold me. It looks like it's concrete, so we're good. Looks like just a little one-bedroom cabin with possibly a porch. I don't know, maybe this could have been the living room. This cabin looks the same setup as the other one. It had a back door though. Let's go in this one. Okay, this one has a wood floor. Feels pretty solid. I don't know what to do. I guess that was the bathroom. Man, just garbage everywhere. That's like a pit over there. Guess we better go see what the pit is all about. Gosh, it still smells like fire. I wonder when it burnt down. Yeah, so at least 4 of the structures have burned down. Probably vandalism, I would imagine. Because I've seen somebody built a fire pit next to one of the other ones, like they were trying to catch that one on fire. Some gym lockers? Huh. Alright, that was most of the structures in the center part. Let's go spread out. Look at some of the outer structures. All these rock walls must have taken a long time to build. We got a can dump. Nothing that looks too old though. Now we're heading way off into the back part of the property to see there's some more rock walls and stuff up here. We'll go check them out. Well, there's a little oasis in the desert. Riverside, Riverside, Nevada. Did you know Nevada has more ghost towns than actual populated cities? Over 600 ghost towns. I don't know if this is considered one. Like, one thing said it was a ghost town, but it's not a town, it's a homestead. It was never incorporated as a city or a town. It was a pretty cool little story. Today we went to the Heritage Center to get some info on this town. We ran into a Bundy. You might remember the Bundys from the last video. I talked about them a little bit. The cattle ranchers that had a standoff with the federal government, an armed standoff. So it's pretty cool. She used to live just right across the river on the Bundy Ranch. She remembers when this town was going. She probably came and got ice cream and a sandwich or whatever from the old store. So, cool little story. It's fun when you start asking questions, because we weren't even talking to her. She just came out from behind one of the displays and started telling her story. So I'm glad we got to hear it. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.